HubSpot offers effective lead generation tools to capture and nurture potential customers. Here's how to utilize it. Create forms. Design lead capture forms using HubSpot's Form Builder, embedding them on your website's landing pages, blogs, or pop-ups. Offer valuable content. Create compelling offers such as ebooks, webinars, or white papers that visitors can access by filling out your forms. Landing pages. Design conversion-focused landing pages that showcase your offer and encourage visitors to provide their information. Call to action. Place CTAs strategically on your website to guide visitors to your landing pages and offers. Pop-ups and slide-ins. Utilize pop-ups or slide-in forms to capture leads at optimal moments during a visitor's journey. Lead magnets. Develop high-quality content that acts as a lead magnet, offering real value to visitors in exchange for their contact details. Smart content. Personalize your website content for different segments, increasing engagement and conversion. CRM integration. All collected leads are automatically stored in the HubSpot CRM, allowing for seamless tracking and follow-up. Lead scoring. Assign scores to leads based on their interactions, helping you prioritize follow-ups. Automated workflows. Set up automated email workflows to nurture leads with relevant content and offers. Progressive profiling. Collect more information gradually by using progressive forms, enhancing user experience. Segmentation. Segment leads based on their interests, demographics, behavior, and engagement levels for targeted communication. Lead attribution. Track lead sources and interactions to understand which channels and efforts are driving the most valuable leads. Lead analytics. Analyze lead generation performance using HubSpot's analytics to refine strategies. Continuous improvement. Regularly optimize your lead generation tactics based on data and insights to drive better results.